Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to find Facebook QR code. So you have to follow the steps. So you have to open your Facebook app on your Android device. So when it's open, you have to click to the search bar of the top right here. You have to click to search bar and you have to type for QR code. You have to just simply type QR code and that's enough. You have to the first one click and you have to click QR code on the first one and you will go to my code. So this how will you this find QR code of yours Facebook? So you have to share it from anyone who can find with the scan. So basically QR code for this. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.